All right, hey, so I want to talk about today real estate photography. Today, let's talk about what to do prior to the photo shoot, as well as the phone stamp. Getting the house photo ready is just as important as the angles and editing. And no matter how beautiful a house is, if it's messy, potential buyers are not going to be able to see past that. I mean, the only messy place that I can see that someone would still buy would be like the foreclosures, because a lot of times those houses get trashed, ceiling fans get taken down, blinds, switches, everything, you name it. However, when it comes to a house looking to hit the market, and if it's being taken care of by the owner, they will more than likely do whatever it is that you ask of them within reason. And what I mean by that is keeping it nice and clean. What you can do to help the owners get ready is you can send out like a pre-photo list. So for example, let's say kitchen, pictures, magnets on the refrigerator, like you want to have them to take all that down. You know, so it's nice and clean, has a nice and clean look. Now, some appliances, as far as kitchen appliances, can stay there. If there's so much clutter on the table in the kitchen, you want some of that to kind of go away. Anything else that they have that is not necessary, you want them to put that away. Other than that, I mean, like the toaster or like what is that called? You know what I'm talking about. One of those things. They're the biggest thing. If you're gonna have any kitchen appliances there, you want to maintain the cords. Make sure the cords are, neat, not just kind of everywhere, all right? Living area, if they have pets, you want any pet furniture put away. You want the dog bowl, cat bowls, or whatever it is that they're using to be put away. Trash cans you want put away too as well. Couches, if they have plethora of pillows, you want to make sure that, it looks nice. It's not crowded. Sometimes you'll be dealing with tenants who are renting. That can be tricky because they may not feel as obligated to do everything that you're asking, and you really can't force that upon them. It wouldn't be good. Be respectful about it and do the best you can. Now, this is what I'm talking about. The clone tool in Photoshop comes in handy. I tend to do my full edit first, and then at the end I will clone what I need to. And when it comes to taking the photos at the house, I'm already thinking ahead as far as long as the lighting is the same and there's no real pattern, it looks the same. Simple, easy edit. It'd be the same thing as if desert landscaping, at least from where I'm at right now, there's a lot of desert landscaping, so a lot of rocks. You wouldn't be able to tell this rock from that rock, this rock, or the rock, Johnson, What gets a little tricky is when you start to have patterns. You can't you have to make it look as if you didn't clone it. Phone died. Camera battery died. Oh my goodness, and this lighting. Oh. Shadow. This is my shadow. It's my son's. When all goes wrong, get yourself a shadow. It's his birthday anyway. Say happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. We'll see ya.